SkillsFuture eligible VBA Macro Excel course. Automate your repetitive tasks in Excel by writing so-called macros. Learn macro, formulas, pivot tables, charts, etc. and automate your daily tasks and reports easily. Key features of VBA Excel course. SSG approved center with 95% plus satisfactory record. This course is ideal for those professionals who are already hands-on with advanced features in Microsoft Excel. Analyst, business professionals, entrepreneur, training professionals, and students can attend this course. SkillsFuture and SDF funding eligible course. VBA Excel is 3 days hands-on training course. Contact us on www.inspizone.com +65 8586 4485. Enroll now.